Good morning, Eric Rangers. This is Miss Santana with your Women's History Tidbit. All right, March 8th marks the International Women's Day. So today we're going to learn about that. Let's not forget, friends, that every single year the International Women's Day always has a certain focus. Every year we have a different theme. This year it's choose to challenge. So, but we have to remember, why are we doing it? Because as the Vice President Kamala Harris said, if we do not lift up women and families, everyone will fall short. If we don't support each other, if we don't support women and their whole families, we're not going to be successful. But in order to choose to challenge, we first have to dare to ask questions. Have a great day, Rangers, and remember, choose to challenge.